Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enrolling immediately. Sign in with your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication. Enter payment details and pick individual or organization. This matters because organizations require a DUNS number. Once done, gather tax and legal identifiers so you won't pause mid-form. You're moving fast because Apple validates identity and authority. Having an authorized signer's info speeds approval. Make sure to review your contact email and team name now, and then submit enrollment to initiate. Next, you handle signing and distribution. Set up your App Store Connect app record and add team members with appropriate roles. Then generate development and distribution certificates in the developer portal. This gives you cryptographic identity for builds. Once created, tie those certificates to provisioning profiles mapped to your app ID. Make sure to download and install certificates into your keychain and update profiles in Xcode. This ensures builds are signed correctly and accepted by Apple services when uploading. Finally, archive your app in Xcode and upload using App Store Connect or Transporter. Fill version, release notes, and localized metadata. Choose Test Flight for beta distribution or submit to App Store Review for release and monitor reviewer feedback closely. Once approved, schedule release or publish immediately. If something goes wrong, like a rejection, read the rejection note, fix the offending issue, increment the build number, and reupload. A key troubleshooting tip: revoke and recreate certificates only if signing errors persist, then reinstall profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.